What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on my future videos. My name is Manders. We like to talk about makeup. We do a lot of unboxings, and I always drop things. So if that's your jam, you might as well stick around. Today we are doing something with this FabFitFun. This is my fall box. I am so excited. I don't have a freaking clue what's in here. I didn't even look at the spoilers because I don't know why. Probably because I just went back to work last week and I have been so out of it. So I cannot tell you guys how happy I am to be back. I know I've been doing a lot of live streams, not so many videos, but that is about to change because I am back in the swing of things and I know what I want to do. So FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. I will leave the link, the details for how much it costs in the description box below, and I will leave a link there so you can go check it out if it's something you're interested in. So I get this every fall, winter, spring, and summer. This is the fall box. Every month, every box does come with a magazine that will give me all of the information in it. So this is this month's. So I'm just gonna set that right in front of me so I don't lose it. It also comes with, it comes with a coupon code, so I'll just have to look at that and I'll leave it linked below. And then it also comes with a HelloFresh. This is $80 off your first 4 deliveries. So I have never used this before. I've been thinking about it. It's something I really want to do. I actually want to do some videos with this, so hopefully I'll have the chance to order from HelloFresh. Now, everything every month comes nicely packaged. I love the box. It's just perfect. These are perfect for reusing, and it comes really nicely wrapped just like this that I'm going to rip now. So because it's way too much for me to stand here and pull everything out of the box, I'm going to set it down. I'm going to pull things out one at a time, and I'm going to grab the magazine so that I know what I'm getting. I have it right here. So the first thing I see is by Cosmetics. This is Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. Interesting. So let's just see what this is. All right. So this says, nothing brightens the skin like vitamin C. Add a dose of the 100% pure absorbic acid to your nighttime serum or moisturizer. So it comes like this. It looks like you're just going to dump it out. I'm not going to get into it yet, but that's very interesting. I'm going to read a little bit more on this and we shall see what I think. So that's pretty good. All right. Oh, so this is cool. So this is by Trestique. This is the Mini Eye Essentials. This is their Luck Neutral set. So these are eye crayons. So it comes with 4. That's super cool. I'm just gonna set this box down. So these sorry, if I didn't already say, this bad boy right here retails for $54 US. These mini eye pencils, they retail for $48 US. Wow. So let's just open them up and see. So it says there's a mini brow pencil. Cool. A crayon shadow, another crayon shadow, and an eye pencil. So that's pretty cool. So they just come like this. So I've tried a lip product from this brand before and I did really like it. I'm not going to open these up and swatch them right now because let's face it, I have so much stuff on the go that I might not actually use any of this stuff yet. I might hold on to it for down the road when I need to test out some new products, but I'm really excited for this because that looks like it's perfect for travel. And if it has a brow pencil, an eyeliner, and 2 eyeshadows, that could just be a win. I know who will love that. My sister will love that. Yes, I am so excited I got this product. These are the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. This is them right here. I love eye masks. I'm obsessed and I really like everything I've received from Wander Beauty so far, from any of my sub boxes, so I'm super happy about that. So these do retail, on the next page, these retail for $25. So it says these eye masks feature hyaluronic acid, aloe leaf extract, and lavender oil to deeply hydrate the skin and offer a cooling effect. So that's super cool. You will definitely see me use these and you will get an update on what I think about them. They retail for $25 US. So that's pricey, but not terrible. All right, next up, this is the Kate Spade. What is it? It's a bag. Okay, so this says that it is a Kate Spade lunch tote. Interesting. You know what's funny? I lost my lunch bag and I was looking for it this morning trying to get my lunch prepped, and now this is probably the most genius thing ever that I have this. And you know the best part? This has been sitting on my floor for a few days, so I totally had a lunch bag. Looks more like a makeup bag, but that's kind of cool. So it says out to lunch. Let's open it up. It has 2 zippers. Well, I can tell you one thing. It doesn't have a lot of room for a lunch bag, but it's insulated, so it's just a nice little bag like that. So I will definitely get some use out of that. So I'm just going to set that right here, and that retails for $30 Canadian US. That's a lot. Oh well. Not bad. I'm sure I will use it. It's very cute. It's small for a lunch bag, but whatever. I'm cool with that. I like things. So what I love about FabFitFun is it's not all makeup products, so it gives me some different stuff to try. Because I would never go out and buy a $30 Kate Spade lunch bag, but here we are. So the next thing, the next thing is, this is by Human Plus Kind Skincare with a Conscious. This is Body Souffle. Ooh, that sounds nice. So this is naturally deprived, and it's vegan and cruelty free. That's it right there. This retails for $18 US. So that's not bad. It says lather yourself in a souffle blend of apricot oil and shea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturized. I'm so excited for this. I actually needed a new one. So it's sealed. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to wait to use this when I do finish up the ones that I already have. So, because I'm running low on body butter, so I'm super excited that I have this. Plus it comes in a squeezy tube, which is my favorite way to have a moisturizer. I hate body butters, especially when they're like in the tub and then it gets everywhere. I have problems. So, ooh, I'm so excited for these. So these are by Harper and Ari. These are the exfoliating sugar cubes. That is so cool. So these delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. So I'm totally going to try these. I'm super excited. I love a good exfoliator, and they're like so cute, and they come in this nice packaging. I'm super, super pumped to try that. Oh, so this is by Aveda. This is their Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. So I do believe this is a mask. So this is a leave-in treatment. So that's really, really cool. I need a new hair mask. I don't use conditioner in my hair. Long story short, it holds the oil way too much. So I do like using a hair mask when my hair is giving me a little bit of trouble. So I will totally try this. I'm really excited. And that retails for $30 US, and the exfoliating cubes, they retailed for $18 US. So that's not, oh no. $16 is how much the exfoliating cubes cost. So that's pretty good. And I think I only have one more item in here. Yes, I do. So this is it's a scarf. So this is by Plush. This is Stay Warm and Stylish. This retails for they say that this retails for $75. So let's open it up. It's very soft. Why is it so much money? Weird. So it's literally a scarf. Is it like an infinity scarf or what? Nope, it's just a scarf. So that's pretty cool. I will probably take this to work because it would be like a nice wrap. Something like that. Yeah, I'll definitely use that. So it's really like, do you see how big it is? That's huge. It's not heavy. It's pretty thin. But why is it $75? So technically this is worth what I paid for all of this. So with me living in Canada, I do pay the Canadian exchange rate, and I also have to pay shipping. So it cost me about $75 for this subscription box. So apparently this is what's making it worth it. And this is like the least exciting thing in here to me. So I'm really shocked that this is worth $75. All in all, I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty satisfied with all of these things. I am really excited to use the masks. The body souffle sounds awesome. These exfoliating cubes are super cool. I'm going to use those later. And I'm Sorry about that. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with the products that I got this month. So like I said, this does cost me $75 Canadian, so keep that in mind. It came with these super cool, this eye kit from Tristique. Came with the body souffle, which I'm super excited to try. The Aveda hair mask. This is a good company. My friend is one of their hairstylist like teachers. And so I know that she always raves about these, so that's super cool. I also got these cool vitamin C brightening crystals, whatever that is. Super cool. And I'm really excited to try these exfoliating cubes, and I'm really excited for the Wander masks, the Kate Spade lunch bag, and the scarf is the least exciting thing that I have. So let me know in the comments below, did you get this variation of the box? What do you think of these items? Do you think it's worth $75? I always say every time, I'm like, I'm not doing it again, and then I go and do it. But sometimes I get products that I'm like, what would my life be if I didn't have that? Because there are some products that I have got that are seriously like ride or freaking die products from FabFitFun. So I am so excited that you guys hung out with me today. Thank you so much. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Let me know how your day is, and let me know, did you get FabFitFun this time, and do you think that this was worth what I paid for it? I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.